Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8324 SB. Auto leveling jacks, awning toppers over your slide outs. Great new floor plan. Let's take a look. All right, starting on the outside, you'll see the automotive windshield. You equip this with awning toppers over your slide outs. Nice LED docking light on the front. Power tongue jack with light. Rockwood does the nice 7-way pin holder. You are prepped for 2 batteries and 2 30-pound LP bottles. The Rockwood 8324 SB has a dry weight of 9,070 pounds. You see the frameless windows, exhaust vent for the range, your pull valves for your black and gray tanks, black tank flush, water connection, cable connection, all in one nice convenient area. 50 amp service. We did equip this with the second air conditioner. You do have a convenience light on the outside. Outside shower with hot and cold. Nice storage area here for underneath the bed in the back. Rockwood equips their campers with the receiver, which is mounted to the frame. Gives you a 300-pound weight limit there. Ladder for roof access. Take a look at the roof. You'll see the 2 ACs and the max air vent covers. You are prepped for backup camera. Outside hookup area, you do have the rack here for the griddle that it does come with. It tees off of your propane. Prep table that is removable. Your outside speakers. And then you can move the TV from inside outside onto the wall and plug that right into your cable and 110 connection. There's your LP connection there for the quick connect. 2 sets of step above entry steps all the way to the ground, very stable. The back one goes into the bedroom, folds right up into the camper, nice and clean. Lippert does the new screenshot screen door attachment. Basically closes the door for you, and both entry and rear door are on friction hinges, so wherever you leave those doors is where they stay. 2 large assist handles. Another storage area here, which is under the bench inside. You'll see the thick compartment doors, magnetic latches that hold them up. Freshwater tank fill. The large power awning with LED lights is covered with the hard shell, so it protects that fabric from the sun and from tree limbs, anything like that damaging the awning. Up front, the control for your docking lights. You are prepped for solar panel, which would charge those batteries. And then the one-touch automatic leveling controls are locked up front. So like a motorhome, nicer fifth wheel, touch of a button automatically levels this. Heading inside the 8324 SB. First thing coming into the Rockwood, you'll see the taller pitched ceiling, giving you a lot more headroom. Around the slide outs as well. You'll also tell a difference standing up in the shower. For somebody taller being able to stand in there comfortably. You'll see the maple cabinetry, stone decor. One big change in the 8324 is they gave you a little divider with the bar area here, separating the living area or entertaining area from the kitchen. So nice separation. Kind of gives you two separate rooms. And then the side hallway to the master bedroom. Starting right here in the kitchen, you'll see nice countertop space, solid surface, dual stainless steel sink, good storage area, overhead cabinetry, nice drawers, well lit, spray head for your faucet, good sitting area, sits four comfortably, up high off the ground, nice bar stools. Large oven, LED lights, flush mount cover, and that does act as a splash guard. Stainless steel microwave, raised panel refrigerator. It is gas and electric. Then their pantry has the motion sensor lighting and tons of space. Now going into the living area, kind of separated with the bar, you've got theater seating directly across the fireplace and the TV that raises up out of the cabinet. Up in viewing position, right across from the theater seating and the stone decor. Again, removable tables. You've got heat, massage, LED lights. Tables are easily removed. Theater seating is very comfortable. You can recline back. Right across from that TV and fireplace. You've got DVD, AM, FM stereo, IRV technologies. You can get the app on your phone, be able to control the speakers, the zones. You do have trifold sleeper sofas that both open up. Give you an idea there of what that looks like in the setup. All right, here's the setup and breakdown of those two trifold sleeper sofas. Give you an idea of the space you have once they're opened up. Same style as all the other ones we've looked at. Velcro backing on those. Lifting up from the bottom. Again, great storage down below, so you can put those cushions, your linens, the pillows, anything down low there. Then you've got a nice sleeping area on one side. And then if you turn, opening up the second bed, and dropping that down. Plenty of room to walk in between. So at night, if you guys were getting ready for bed, each person on either end, you've got room to walk around. You can get around the bed. You've got receptacles on one end, so very comfortable, easy access. Then for putting them away, same thing, just dropping cushions hold right in place, Velcro. And that's the setup and breakdown of both trifold sleeper sofas. Fireplace does put out electric heat. You got tons of receptacles, sound bar, easy access, cable and satellite hookups. Good storage areas on the sides and up high. Day and night roller shades to completely black out the front windshield. Heading back down the side hallway. Master bedroom, you'll see king size bed on a slide out. In that slide out you have drawers that pull out, and you have underneath storage accessible from the outside. Shocks that hold that bed up. His and her lights underneath. And the windows do open, so you do get a cross breeze. We did equip this with a bedroom TV that is on a swing arm. Your second AC, which is ducted. Speakers in the bedroom. Nice hanging area. And then you have washer dryer prep in the back closet. You don't want the washer dryer, you got that much more hanging area. The bathroom does have solid doors to separate. You do have glass enclosed shower. The shower miser hookup. Nice water saving system. Nice linen closet. Shower does have the magnetic latches that holds it together. Reduces spills. Nice room around the toilet. Another door separating the hallway. And you have a max air fan in the bathroom. It does have a roof cover as well. USB plugs, receptacles throughout. You also have receptacles on the side of the bed, on either side. Another IRV Technologies app that you can get is for the control panel. Your slide outs, tank levels, your lights, all in one nice convenient area. Thermostat. You do have aisle lights lighted up at night, walking through here in the dark. Nice plugs that push down into the cabinet. Just want to take a minute and thank everybody for watching the video. Please feel free to put comments down below if you have any questions, if I missed anything, you need measurements, anything like that, I'd love to help. Please continue to subscribe to my channel, Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. We are family owned and operated since 1956. This location in Yorktown, Virginia, and another location in Portsmouth. Got a lot of new inventory going on daily, so again, let me know if there's a floor plan you're looking for or you haven't seen yet. I'll get something posted up for you. Thanks again, Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV.